Hey guys, it's Nicole and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I don't really know if this is your first time seeing me. Wonderful. Today I'm going to be doing a very special video that I kind of did last year, and to this day it's still one of my favorite videos ever to watch because I just love like surprising people and giving them like gifts, and I don't think they have to be expensive gifts, and I'm more like of a sentimental type of person, and I like just love like giving to people. And I know I don't have to show this on camera. I literally would still do the same if I didn't show it on camera. I did this every year, even before last year when I made this video, and it's just basically surprising my friends and giving them their Christmas presents on camera. I just really want to do this video, and I even have a present for my sister that I get to give her, so I'm very excited. I don't think this video needs much of an introduction, but also since it's still December and it is the season of giving, I wanted to do another giveaway for you guys as like my last like December giveaway basically. I'm going to be giving away Airpods, so if you're interested, stay tuned till the end of this video. So let's get started. So we have Jordan's gift already because everything came in the mail today. So now I get to wrap it, and I'm very excited to give it to him. So let's wrap.
It's kind of a lot of work to open. Thank you, Nicole. It's so cute. I can tell you put a lot of effort into the wrapping.
I take pride in my wrapping skills. Okay, you're doing a good job.
Oh, maybe. Nicole, why is there so much tape on this? Oh my goodness, it's the third side.
And a 4.
Nicole. Oh my gosh! So there's a cat face massager in here. Oh, this is so cool. This is an ornament of muffin toys. So these are cat toys. And then
you should like it. And
a baby Nutella.
for your food baby.
Oh my god. Wait, I thought this was for her muffin. I was really confused.
And then you asked for a keychain. And like, is that not perfect?
Wait, I love this so much. Oh my gosh, thank you, Nicole. Thank you so much. I'm gonna put this on my car keys right now. Oh wow, I'm a pro YouTuber. But I'm at Carter's house right now, and we're gonna give him his first gift because his birthday was yesterday, so like this is like his big present, and then I'm gonna get him like things for Christmas obviously, but this is his like big present. His birthday was yesterday, and we even like stayed at my house as much as we could before we met up with his family for dinner because the package was gonna come yesterday, and it did come yesterday, but it came like way later than I thought it would be. So I'm gonna give it to him this morning, and I didn't wrap it because I asked him if he cared if I wrapped it, and he said no, and I just didn't have time this morning. I have so much to do, and I still have to study for my test, so that's why I came to his house really early so I can just like study for my 2 tests and do my projects, and we won't talk about that, but let's go give it to him. What is it? Those aren't important.
I'm saving. Anyways. Oh, I see.
It's so slow. You didn't even have to rip it that much. Oh, they smell good.
Yeah.
I actually decided not to like give Carter his Christmas gifts on camera because the original plan was I was just gonna give him all his gifts on Christmas, and then I got too excited and gave him all his gifts today. I just thought like I already got him like a really big birthday present, so I might as well just like include that in this video because it's basically like his big birthday and Christmas gift, because for Christmas he just got a bunch of little things from me. If you guys didn't know, a couple videos ago I had a giveaway of these really cool makeup mirrors, and my friend Sophia I think entered as like a joke, and the exact first person that the random like comment generator picked was her, and I was debating like keeping her on or not, but I was like, you know what, like she won. Like if we weren't friends, like I wouldn't think twice. So I thought I'd like wrap it for like fun and just be like, here's your giveaway prize. And then the other one I still have yet to ship out. I'm gonna ship it out on Monday. We got her mini Keurig. It's like the third mini Keurig I've purchased in the past year, because I keep giving them as gifts because like they're really cool. And she loves coffee, and one time she was like making coffee downstairs in her kitchen with her Keurig, and as soon as it was done, her mom woke up and heard it and was like, you can't drink coffee this late at night, and threw it away. So like now she can make it in her room, and she can also like take this to college because she's going to college soon. So that was like cute because she's getting like college acceptance letters right now. So
I think I know what. Such good wrapping job. I'm so proud. Wow! It's the giveaway you won. I won her giveaway. It's a mirror and it's really nice. I told my mom about it and she was so excited. How are you so good at wrapping? I literally can't. Stop.
So now your mom can't yell at you.
Oh my god! Shut up. This is gonna be so great.
for my sister, I got to work with the company Lol. Lol is an online mattress company, and I actually have a mattress from them, and I've had it for about a year, and it's honestly one of my favorite things ever because I just spend so much of my time there. My sister graduated from college about 2 years ago, and she is gonna move across the country in a few weeks to go to nursing school, and she obviously like needs a mattress when she moves into her apartment. So she put the mattress on her Christmas list because she obviously doesn't want to buy her own mattress and like doesn't want like my parents to like have to get her like a bunch of Christmas gifts and like all this stuff that she needs. So I reached out to Lol and asked them if they were interested in sending me a mattress to surprise my sister with, and surprisingly they said yes. Like, I was so excited when I got the email in the car. I was like, oh my gosh, I get to surprise my sister. The thing about Lol is when I got mine, I never had to search for the perfect mattress because it was just already perfect for me. Their mattresses are perfect for any type of sleeper, whether you sleep on your stomach, your side, your back. They have a 100-day return policy, and they have free shipping and free returns. When you buy a mattress, it's an investment because you use it for such a long time and you use it all the time, literally every single day of your life. So Lol just makes it so easy for you, and they ship it to you in a box. It can't get better than that. If you look at Lol's reviews, everyone loves them for a reason. They are just so comfortable. I can't stress that enough. They have the perfect memory foam. I'm just like crying thinking about how amazing my mattress is. Like, everyone like thinks my bed is so comfortable. It's also super easy to set up. I'm 4'11" and I have no arm strength, and I set mine up last year all by myself. Like, let me show you some clips of me doing that.
I can just do this because it might be a struggle, because it was a struggle getting it up here. Like, I didn't even do this myself. Like, I had to have my mom do it, so. It says cut along the lines and make sure don't cut the mattress, but like carefully cut the plastic. So let's do that. Okay, so I just finished setting up the mattress, as you guys can tell.
So if that doesn't show you how easy it is to set up, I don't know what will. Like, if I can do it, you can do it. If you're looking for a new mattress, Lol will be linked down below with the discount code and just everything. I know I'm gonna be needing a new mattress soon when I move out to LA for college in a few months, because I'm not gonna take my mattress in my house with me because it needs to stay at my parents' house. So I'm obviously just gonna get another Lol mattress because I want to feel at home. I just want to say thank you again to Lol for sending me a mattress to surprise my sister with, and let's go see her reaction.
And then we have my sister's little like gag gifts, because I feel like we should give her something a little before we show her the mattress. So I can rock those now, but I need like a really small box, but I don't know if I have one, so we'll see what we can do.
Okay, here you go.
Is it a puppy?
No.
You got me a puppy, didn't you? Oh, these are so cute.
They're Charlie.
Charlie socks. And scrunchies. Thank you.
And then
Go to the garage.
yeah.
You got me a bed? Thanks, Nikki.
Here is your card, your birthday
Thank you.
card.
Should I open
Pretend it says your name.
Pretend it's actually your
Yeah.
writing.
I wrote something in it.
You wrote a heart.
I didn't have a
Very
pen,
nice.
but I like.
No, I like it. That's really
Okay.
cool, actually.
Yeah, you can
Thank you.
you can frame it and just
I
be
will.
like, yeah.
I'm gonna do
Yeah.
that.
And then it looks like I got you wine. but I
It
didn't.
does.
But I did it.
That's good.
It's my favorite thing ever.
I forgot you were asking me about this.
I wanted to get you a yellow one, but the yellow one they only had like smaller ones in it.
That's so cute.
So I was like, she'll like pink.
I love pink.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, and I can, when I'm stressed.
Yeah, dude, like play with
Should I
it right
open
now.
I'm gonna break it.
It's literally the best thing I've ever had in my entire life. It's so fun. It's so fun. Hey guys, it's Laura. True story. Oh no, same. Like pops out at you. Oh, just had similar wrap. Yeah. I love it. It's the best thing ever. I have like 10. It's a stress ball.
You're kidding.
And it's yellow.
And a little
Nutella.
Dude, I love Nutella. I love you. So we have my friend Olive, and she actually picked out a shirt when we went shopping together. And then I bought a couple things today, and of course we had to include this. I literally have so many of these. I have an extra one, and I kind of want to keep it because I left all of mine at Carter's house, and it's just like so cute. I'm not even in this frame.
I was thinking about you when I was wrapping my gift because look how I wrapped it. You wrap good. How do you take this off?
Jordan yesterday like tried to save the paper.
Not happening with me.
Like I bought like 10 of them to give to people.
Are they just like squishy?
Yeah, like feel it.
It's like clay.
Yeah, because it's kind of like an appliance, but it's like cute and like you can use it.
Yeah.
Because I didn't think a waffle maker was gonna be.
No, this is perfect.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever washed my makeup brushes.
And it like actually works if you put batteries in it. Oh my gosh, I've never seen that before in your entire life.
I didn't pick it out myself.
Just traditions. Just like I'm opening it. Give me one of those mints and I'll do whatever. Oh my god. Was this a top? Or
Yeah. Well, it's like a bralette / top.
I'll write it as a top.
Yeah.
I did.
I'm getting it over with this break.
So that was me giving my friends their Christmas gifts. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming this video, and I don't think I've had this much fun filming a video in a very, very long time. Like, I'm genuinely so excited to upload this video, and I haven't felt that since probably my homecoming video. So I really hope you guys can just see how just happy this video makes me. Now let's talk about me giving one of you guys a gift. So I know AirPods are like a huge thing and not everyone has them, so I wanted to give a pair away. There are a couple rules obviously if you want to enter. So the first rule is you have to be subscribed to my channel, obviously. The second rule is you have to follow me on Instagram at nickelrios. The third thing is that you have to comment on this video something you gave for Christmas. It can be literally like, I gave my mom a hug. Like, I don't know. Just comment something and also add your Instagram username at the end of your comment just so I can contact you, because that is the only way I can contact you, and I'll be posting the winner on my Instagram story. This giveaway will end on January 8th, so it's like the week we get back from Christmas break, and that makes me so sad thinking about, so I don't want to talk about it. But good luck to you. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, I don't know. But I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Comment anything you want. Follow me on social medias. And I will see you guys on my next video.